This is an Archie Mitchell Big Thomas kiddie ride. Right, this better work or else. Please. If this don't work, I'll be really gutted. Yes! Finally, got one working. Yeah, last time I came here, it wasn't working. Same with Rolly. Let's wait for the, please, the messages, wherever it is. Yeah, I'll try Barney and Scoop over there, but they both don't work. I'm gonna try Barney in a minute. Just wait.
Please add more money.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Ready? There we go.
Please push the start button.
Yes, we got finally one working.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engine.
I know. Maybe Archie Mitchell in. Just talking. Maybe Archie Mitchell in. I think 1994, 1985. But released with V3 in 2000. And that's when the Britpop was limited. You want to see I can't do a POV this because this is very wet apparently. So I won't be doing it apparently. Try Barney and Bob the Builder, but it didn't work unfortunately. They are on. Apparently. There's Thomas's face. At least we've got finally one working, I'm glad. Yeah, there's a camel over there. I'm probably going to film that. Let me hot camel. I mean, the tremor on that is so catchy. I'm not going to lie. At least this one's working, I'm glad. Watch Mitchell goes over there. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Yeah. So that was the Archie Mitchell V2 Big Thomas's Hang Engine, a friend's kiddie ride.